Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn on or off TalkBack on your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, scroll down and go to shortcuts and accessibility. And shortcut and accessibility, go to accessibility. And accessibility, okay, you can see the talkback. And the talkback is off. And to turn on this, you'll have to do is tap the talkback. And talkback, you can see the use talkback. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on talkback, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side of use talkback. And the pop-up are show, okay, allow talkback to have full control of your device. Full control is appropriate for apps that help you with accessibility needs but not for most apps. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the allow button. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enable or turn on the talkback on your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, to disable or turn off the talkback, you'll have to do is, okay, select the switch button on the right side of use talkback. After you select, double tap. And the pop-up below are show and select stop, then double tap. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned off or disabled the talkback on your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.